415.
Go ahead.
40 from Valley View, Blue Pete Cruiser. I'm in pursuit. Birch, Missouri handicap.
14 in pursuit now. Highway from View. 123.
He's already tried to give me the hit him. Still eastbound, Pat Powell.
Copy, still eastbound.
415, speeds of 30, still eastbound.
Still eastbound, 1233.
Well, you know what his charges were?
Back westbound on 40.
Now westbound, back on 40.
Business.
Copy, going through some business.
Once again, westbound on 40.
Copy, westbound on 40 highway again.
Still westbound, speeds of 40. I couldn't copy the last, I'm sorry.
Highway.
Coming up to Powell.
Copy, coming up to Powell.
Made a U-turn back eastbound on 40.
Copy, made a U-turn eastbound. We got Blue Springs and
Still eastbound.
Copy, speed, still eastbound, speed 60.
613, I'm eastbound 40 from Valley View now. Correction. Yeah, Valley View.
Copy at 1235.
Still eastbound past Bowling, BOWLIS.
Down past Bowling.
Speeds of 80.
10-4, 120. Blue Springs is waiting at 19th and 40.
Northbound Burris. 40 at 37. Coming up to Woods.
Okay, east or westbound?
Okay, southbound on Woods Chapel.
Go ahead and terminate.
I couldn't copy. We're southbound on Woods Chapel.
Terminate.
Terminate.
Affirmative.
County, they're on Woods Chapel now. He did turn onto Liggett and turn left at east.